How to enable Facebook friend suggestions. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Facebook on a device. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now tap on account center. Now simply scroll down. Now tap on your information and permissions. Now simply tap on upload contacts. Now select your Facebook account. Now simply enable this toggle and tap on continue. Then give the permissions. Now go to permissions. Now select contacts and select allow. Then simply go back. Again tap on continue and simply go back. Again tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on find friends. Now on this page you can find all of the suggested friends, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.